Well, US health experts are now calling coronavirus the pandemic of the unvaccinated. Almost every hospital admission and death is among those who have refused the vaccine. But in the UK, the Delta strain seems to be behaving very differently. Sky News Washington correspondent Annalise Nielsen breaks down the numbers.
Revellers in Britain may be ready to celebrate the end of pandemic restrictions.
I want to dance, I want to hear live music, I want the vibe of being at a gig.
Yes, it feels like Freedom Day. It really, really does.
But the highly contagious Delta strain is already threatening to end the good times. England has had an extremely successful vaccine rollout. Almost 90% of all adults have had at least one shot. Nevertheless, the rate for people testing positive is now 440.2 per 100,000 tests. That's up 40.7% in the last 7 days. And hospital admissions are up 38.4% in the last 7 days.
Most of the models are suggesting that there should be a peak and start seeing some sort of either plateau or decrease over August.
Compare this to America, where vaccination rates are much lower. Just 59.5% of adults are fully covered.
In areas where vaccine coverage is low, cases and hospitalisations are starting to climb again.
The testing positivity rate is 54.8 per 100,000 tests, while the 7-day average for deaths is 218, a jump of 48% on the week before.
My greatest fear is that patients continue to pour in and we're unable to give them the care that they need because we don't have staff or resources.
The Delta strain is now estimated to be 83% of all cases in America, but the death rate is currently comparable to the United Kingdom. The question is, how can that be between two countries with such drastically different vaccination levels? The US showing 0.5 deaths per 100,000 compared to 0.4 per 100,000 in the UK. While in America, just a handful of those receiving hospital care or dying with COVID are vaccinated.
We have the tools to end this epidemic. It is up to us to utilize those tools to their maximum.
It begs the question whether the Delta strain is only just getting started in the US. Annalise Nielsen, Sky News in Washington, DC.